Wi-Fi, or wireless fidelity, is a game changer in how we connect to the internet. It operates on radio waves, allowing devices to communicate without the need for physical cables. The most common standards, like 802.11ac and the newer 802.11ax, also known as Wi-Fi 6, offer faster speeds and better efficiency, especially in crowded environments. Did you know that Wi-Fi 6 can handle multiple devices simultaneously without a hitch? This is crucial as our homes become smart hubs filled with IoT devices. Security is another key aspect. WPA3 is the latest protocol, enhancing encryption and making it harder for hackers to breach your network. Plus, with the rise of mesh Wi-Fi systems, dead zones are becoming a thing of the past, ensuring seamless connectivity throughout your space. As we move towards Wi-Fi 7, expect even higher speeds and lower latency, paving the way for innovations like augmented reality and ultra-high-definition streaming. The future of connectivity is bright, and Wi-Fi is at the forefront of this digital revolution.